guys, today I will show you the unboxing of Xiaomi MI A2. But before we proceed to the unboxing, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Before we start the unboxing, I will just make a quick preview of the specification of Xiaomi MI A2. The processor of this product is Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with artificial intelligence technology. It has 64GB storage capacity and 4GB RAM, and it has no expandable memory slot in it. The front camera has 20 megapixel and the back camera has 12 plus 20 megapixel with dual LED flash. The battery capacity has 3010 mAh. The display size is 5.99 inches and the operating system is Android One. And we will start the unboxing. So finally, we will start the unboxing of our product. Let's begin. Where is my cutter? So close it. We will start. Actually, it's pretty good. I didn't need the cutter. Now let's see what's inside the box. Okay, there is a small box here. So we have here. There is a 3.5mm audio jack extension because the mobile has no 3.5mm jack in it. This is the use. Okay. And a silicone cover. It's a good quality cover. And we have here a manual. We will go to the mobile again. It's a little bit heavy. So this is the mobile. The back of it. It's aluminum and I think the front is a glass. Then we have the charger. The charger has 5 volts and 2 amperes. And we have the cables. This is the inside of the MI A2 mobile. Now we will power on the mobile. So here we are. It's not, you can't see the front, so I will just remove the sticker. The mobile is good, it's thin, and I like the color. It's a little bit heavy. Quality is very good. So we will start configuring the device. So until just hold on, and after that we will see the performance of the mobile. So this is the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi A2, and now this is it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time.